guys, good morning. Now, Foundation Paper 4 Economics and BCK Business Commercial Knowledge. Section A Economics, it contains 60 marks. Section B BCK, it contains 40 marks. This is also objective paper. You have to write very easily if you read the theory thoroughly, line to line. You know very well about the economics. If you take the BCK, we have to pay the concentration on our surroundings and our national and international issues and banking sectors, about the business sectors. So all these sections include in this BCK paper. If we take economics, first chapter, Introduction to Business Economics. From this chapter, we can expect 15 to 20% marks. Weightage. Second chapter, a theory of demand and supply. We can expect 35% to 40%. A theory of production and cost also. Next, third chapter, price determination in different markets. From this chapter, 25 to 30%. And fourth chapter, business cycles. From this chapter, 15 to 20%. If you read the economics, you can apply each and everything in our real life. At that time, you can remember very easily. You have to apply each and everything in practical. Then you can write the answers. Don't by-heart them. And next thing, if you want to write the answers for theory questions like economics and BCK, you have to read the question at least twice. Don't read hurry-burry and don't choose the wrong options. If you read at least twice, at the time you can think what is the answer for that question. Otherwise, sometimes if you are in dilemma, is it correct or not? In that situation, definitely we can write the wrong answer. So don't do that, my dear students. And next thing, if you take the BCK, Business Commercial Knowledge, BCK contains for 40 marks. If you take the BCK paper of weightage, first chapter, Introduction of Business, 15 to 18%. And second chapter, Business Environment, 15 to 18%. And third chapter, Business Organizations, 15 to 20%. And fourth chapter, Government Policies for Business Growth, 15 to 80%. Fifth chapter, Organization Facilitating Business. From this chapter, 15 to 80%. And sixth chapter, Common Business Terminologies, 15 to 18%. If you take this BCK subject, you can find out about weightage. Each and every chapter has same 8 weightage. That means you have to read the every chapter in the same way. Maximum you have to focus on current issues and current events. Because if you take WHO, RBI, who is the RBI governor, who is the director of WHO, so all these types of questions you have to know. Because sometimes they may ask based on the general questions, and not only that, general issues. That's why you have to focus on the current events, and not only that, that current events maximum belongs to business sectors. So if you focus on this paper like this way, definitely you will get the good marks. Okay, thank you.